For this example, we're gonna find the standard form of the following circles based on the graph. In part A, the graph, the center is at the point 4, negative 4, and the radius is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The radius is 5. So the HK is the order pair 4, negative 4, or H is 4, K is negative 4, and R is 5. The standard form of this in the form of X minus H squared plus Y minus K squared equals R squared. For part A, the standard form of this circle will be X minus 4 squared plus Y minus negative 4 squared equals the R squared, which is 5 squared, and then we write it as X minus 4 squared plus Y plus 4 squared equals 25. For part B, the graph, as we see, the HK or the center is at the point negative 6, 3. So this is the coordinate H coordinate K, or the order pair HK for the center, and then the radius R equals 3. Put them together in the standard form would be X minus negative 6 quantity squared plus Y minus 3 quantity squared equals the R, which is 3 squared. And we write it as X plus 6 quantity squared plus Y minus 3 quantity squared equals 9. In this example, we're gonna find the standard form of the equation for the circle with the following properties. The property said the center is at 6, negative 7 and passing through 9, negative 3. If we locate those 2 points on the Cartesian plane, we get 6, negative 7, which is right there, and passing through 9, negative 3. Negative 3, that's another point. So the center would be HK, and the point on the circle is at 9, negative 3. So that means the distance between these two points gonna be the radius. So we're gonna find out what is the radius or the distance. Put the question mark over here, and then the circle will be based on these two information. So to write the standard form of the equation, we're gonna need the HK, which already know as 6, negative 7, and we need the radius R. We don't know yet, so we're gonna find out which is the distance between these two order pairs. So to find R, use the distance formula, which is the square root of the x2 minus x1 quantity squared plus y2 minus y1 quantity squared. Let's name the center as x1, y1, and the point on the circle as x2, y2. And then replace the numbers in the formula to find the distance or the radius. X2, which is 9, minus x1, which is 6 squared, plus y2, which is negative 3, minus y1, which is negative 7 squared. And then simplify the numbers. The first quantity is the value 3 squared. The second one, negative 3 minus negative 7 becomes negative 3 plus 7, or 4. So we have 4 squared. We have square root of 9 plus 16, which is square root 25, simplified to be 5. Now we get r, or the radius, as 5. And the SK, or the point for the center, as 6, negative 7. Put them in the standard form of the circle, in the form of, put here the standard form of the circle. As x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, will be in the form of x minus 6 squared plus y minus negative 7 squared equals r squared, which is 5 squared. And then we write it as x minus 6 squared plus y plus 7 squared equals 25.